Good day to you, wonderful IB students. This message is for Tuesday, March 31st, and the purpose is really twofold. One, to look at the plan, and if we go into that unit and click on the current class log, that's the World War I unit class log, try 3, because we're still in our World War I unit. And you'll find the plan. And the plan is today to watch the IB Euro Schoology tutorial video, perhaps just for general entertainment. Second, do the March 31st Do Now assignment. Pretty simple. It's just a way that we'll be keeping attendance. Third, like we've talked about, make sure that you've read through chapter 9 in All Quiet on the Western Front for Thursday. And then the last thing is to watch episode 6 of the Great War series. And we'll be using the same process as we did in Try 2. You'll find that assignment for the third trimester for episodes 6, 7, and 8 under assignments. One other thing that we're going to try here, guys, if you go back to the main Schoology page, that wasn't part of the plan generally. On the left-hand side, you'll find a bunch of course options, and down towards the end is this conferences link. If you click on that link, you'll see that tomorrow, or not tomorrow, on Tuesday, March 31st, we have a scheduled video conference. This is just a drop-in conference for you to come in, say hello, ask any questions that you might have, and hopefully by tomorrow it'll work. Schoology seems awfully slow today. Maybe it's that every school in the country is trying to use it. But when you do go into conferences, you'll find this conference. It's titled Conference Number 1, and it's scheduled from 11 a.m. to noon tomorrow. So if you just click on the title, you should be able to access it. Now, I am not a tech wizard, obviously, but let's just try it out. Come in and say hello. I'll be logged in for that hour, and that's about it. We can talk about the class, talk about curriculum. I'm a little bit worried about a number of things, but I want to make sure that this isn't stressful for you. So if you feel like there's too much work, tell me. But I also want to make sure that we accomplish what we need to. All right. So remember tomorrow, follow the class log, and then check on this conference from 11 to noon. Have a great day. And again, if you need anything, always contact me.